Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We will learn how to represent of an electrochemical cell. Okay, representation of an electrochemical cell. This comes under basics of electrochemistry. We'll take example of galvanic cell. What is galvanic cell and all I already explained you. You will find it here. Just click the I button. In galvanic cell, I will give a brief idea. Zinc electrode is dipped its own ionic solution, that is zinc sulfide, and another half electrode is of copper. This metal is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and here EMF is generated. This is salt bridge. All you will find it here. Okay, just click the I button. Go to the basics. You will understand this. We learn how to represent an electrolytic cell. Our example is galvanic cell. How to represent the galvanic cell? If you understand this, you can represent any of types of that electrochemical cells. Okay. First, at anode, what happens? Oxidation takes place. This reaction occurs. Zinc gives zinc ion plus 2 electrons at cathode. Reduction, that is copper ions accept 2 electron and it become copper metal. Okay, to represent electrolytic cell or electrochemical, that is galvanic or electrolytic, whatever. So first, anodic reaction separated by 2 lines, and then cathodic reaction. Okay, this is in general. At anode, this oxidation is gives 2 electron. At cathode, reduction accepts 2 electron copper and become copper. Okay, to represent the cell at anode reaction separated by cathodic reactions. In detail, metal of this anode separated by single line, its metal ions in the solution separated by 2 lines. It means that half electrode, this is half electrode reaction, and after 2 lines another half electrode. Okay, its metal ions of another half electrode, and after its reduction its metal. Okay, that means zinc gives zinc ion. I have taken 1 molar concentration, I will tell this, and after 2 lines copper ions with 1 molar concentration of solution and copper. This is the general representation of galvanic cell. Here zinc metal, then after oxidation it becomes zinc plus plus, right, and its concentration I have taken 1 molar. Suppose if it is 0.01, then write it here 0.01 m. Copper plus plus, if it is 0.1 molar, 0.1 m, then after reduction it become copper. So oxidation reaction separated by 2 lines, reduction reactions. Zinc become zinc plus plus, sorry guys, and this is at half electrode, another half electrode, copper ions accept electron reduction, then become copper, its concentration. Okay, very simple, right? Anodic reaction separated by 2 lines, cathodic reaction. Okay, very simple. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel guys. Thank you.